Hey guys, today I'm going to review this Michael Angelo's frozen shrimp scampi, and I'm going to try cooking it in my toaster oven. So let's get toasting. I've tried a couple of these Michael Angelo's lasagnas. I did the vegetable one and the regular one, and they're both really good, and they say not to cook them in a toaster oven, but I did and they turned out good. So this is the shrimp scampi. It says plump tender shrimp, vine ripened tomatoes, and linguine pasta smothered in a rich butter, lemon, and garlic sauce. So it sounds good. Let's open it up and see how it looks. This cost $8.99. Let's see what it looks like here. Okay, and the directions just say to has microwave and regular oven. It just says for the regular oven, preheat oven to 400 degrees. And then put on a baking sheet and leave the film on. So it says cook for 45 to 50 minutes. So I'm just gonna do that, but use my toaster oven. All right, my oven is set to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it says that it should be 6 to 8 inches from the heating element. And so since it's pretty close to the heating element in my toaster oven, what I did with those lasagnas I cooked is put a little bit of piece of foil on the top, and that kind of, I think, helps prevent it from getting overly browned. It's been 48 minutes, so let's see if this looks done here. That's still cold in the middle. I guess it's going to take longer in a toaster oven. We'll get it back in the oven for a while, and I'll just keep an eye on it until it's hot. That took about an hour and 20 minutes, and I actually took the foil off the top for about the last 10, so it does take a little longer in the toaster oven. Smells pretty good here. This smells good. Let's stir it up a little and see how it looks here. Noodles look like they're cooked pretty good. I don't know. There's a shrimp. The shrimps look pretty good. Let me grab a little bite of the shrimp and the noodles here. If I can get it. Well. Okay. Whoa. All right. Here we go. Wow, that is really good. That tastes really fresh, like it's homemade. I mean, that's super good. This is really rich. I don't know if you can see, but see all this butter? That's all butter. It's really rich. It's really good and fresh tasting though, and there's a fair amount of shrimp in there, and the shrimp taste good. They're not chewy or anything. Good flavor, so I think this is pretty good. I really like it. Well, that was really good, and it worked fine cooking it in the toaster oven. It just took a little longer, I think an hour and 20 minutes instead of like 45 to 50 like it said for the big oven. But now that I think about it, those frozen lasagnas took a little longer in the toaster oven as well. So I'd buy that again. That's really good product. I really like it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.